Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Leaf's charging port manually. Sometimes, the electronic release might not work, perhaps due to a power issue or a system glitch. Don't worry, there's a simple, mechanical way to get it open. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can always access your charging port when needed. It's a handy trick for any Leaf owner. Your first step is to open the bonnet of your Nissan Leaf. Once the hood is up, look directly behind where the charging port is located on the exterior. You'll see a plastic trim panel. This panel needs to be removed to access the manual release. It's typically held in place by about 6 small plastic push pins. Gently pry these up with a flat-bladed tool and remove them. Now that the plastic cover is out of the way, you can reach your hand behind the charging port assembly. You'll need to feel around a bit. Look for a small knob or a lever. Some models have a knob you turn, while others have a lever you might need to push with a flathead screwdriver. This is the crucial part that controls the charging port's lock. Once you've located the manual release, the action is straightforward. If you found a knob, turn it 1 full rotation counterclockwise. For a lever, gently push it in the direction of the arrow, often towards the passenger side. You should hear and feel the charging port lid release and spring open. With the port now accessible, you can proceed with charging your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.